The American University in Cairo opened its doors this weekend for a special event aimed at welcoming prospective graduate students. The Graduate Open House, held at the university's New Cairo campus, provided a glimpse into the diverse programs that have made AUC a leader in higher education.
Today, we are experiencing the Graduate Studies Open House. This is an annual event that we hold. We invite the prospective students from all over Egypt, and actually there are a lot of expats and international students also who live in Egypt to let them know more about our graduate studies. There are exhibition booths for all of our programs. There are information sessions for all of the programs. There are also specialized halls that has the representatives from the fellowships, financial aid, and graduate admission, so that attendees can have one-on-one conversation with them and let them know about any questions or specific issues that they might have. This day is very important because it really introduces the whole concept of graduate studies at AUC to prospective students. It answers most of their questions. It kind of puts them on the track of what they need to know and what they need to do to apply for graduate studies at AUC. And, for us, it's the most exciting event for the year.
Dozens of attendees explored their academic futures, meeting faculty, attending information sessions, and getting first-hand knowledge of what it takes to join one of AUC's prestigious graduate programs. From business and economics to arts and science, the open house catered to a wide range of interests.
It's exciting to be here for the Graduate School Open Day because we get to see students who wouldn't normally know about our program, prospective students. So today we had people already just still in second year of undergrad coming to check us out, majoring in history in their respective schools. We've also had people who've graduated many years ago and are wanting to come back to school to study Egyptology with a background in archaeology already. So it's a very broad range, and I'm very pleased with the number of people who've signed up for more information or taken our brochures and business cards.
As a representative of the mechanical engineering department, I find this event is really helpful. As for me, after I graduated, I was a bit confused about where to apply, how to apply, what to apply for even. So we are here today to help graduates and seniors to find what they're looking for, to answer their questions. And by this, they won't feel a bit confused the way I was.
In addition to program overviews, prospective students were given the opportunity to attend workshops on scholarship opportunities, financial aid, and career support services.
جاية النهاردة حبيت إن أنا أتعرف أكتر عن الماسترز اللي هي هنا في الجامعة، وأعرف أكتر عن البروجرام اللي هي بتكون موجودة والكورسز اللي بتكون موجودة فيها، وكمان إن أنا بتقابل مع ناس من هيئة التدريس نفسها، فده بيسهل عليا إن أنا أتعرف أكتر على إيه الكورسز الساعات هتكون ماشية إزاي، الريسيرش مثلا يعني إيه الحاجات المهمة فيه وهكذا. فاستفدت جامد النهاردة، واليوم بالنسبة لي يعني مفيد جدا في كل حاجة. يعني في كمان يعني ناس اللي هو بيفيدوني بخبرتهم وهكذا، وفي ناس خريجين ألمناي من اللي هم من الكورسز فممكن يقدروا يساعدوني. كمان اتعرفت ان هو في حاجات مثلا زي الفيلوشيب والسكولرشيب وهكذا، فلسه بتحاول اتعرف عليها، فحاسه ان في كذا مميزات كتيره يعني.
The stuff is very helpful and it's very organized and they give me all the details that I want.
اكتر الحاجات اللي كنت جاي اظن علشانها الكورسات زي ما قلت لك في الاول. في ناس هنا ساعدوني برضه كتير في الانتر في الالفي، تمام. رحت هناك وسالت عن الكورسات وكده، وخدت عنها معلومات كويسه وجميله قوي.
وانا مش جايه الصراحه لحاجه معينه، انا جايه افهم بشكل عام، فده اللي انا جايه عشانه، مش جايه الصراحه لحاجه معينه قوي يعني.
This year's event witnessed a lower number of participants rather than the previous ones.
I think this event faces a less number of students who come to visit and ask about the programs. I think there is some sort of financial burden for the people who are going through the event this time. They are asking more about the financial aids and the fellowships, and they're asking to be the fellowships to be fully funded, not just partially funded, because of the economical state that we are facing all.
I think this one has like a little bit lower enrollment number, but I think because we just gone more viral into the website, our website is becoming better and everything is becoming more electronic, so nobody is looking into coming physically. They just search digitally and everything is just more accessible.
As the day came to a close, many left the event inspired and ready to take the next step towards their future. With a strong academic reputation, modern faculties, and supportive community, the American University in Cairo remains a top choice for graduate studies in the region. Sarah Houedi, AUCTV, Cairo.